we are looking at how to pronounce this word, both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ. In British English, this is normally said as pseudonym, pseudonym, pseudonym. In American English, however, this is normally said as pseudonym, 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 pseudonym in American English versus pseudonym in British English. Did that work? Did you get it? Does that work for you? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.